Have you been to Nyali, Mombasa? Welcome to the Caspian, located off Links Road, a project that's taking shape beautifully. We're excited to share our latest progress. The mega structure shell and core is now complete. Walling and partitioning, 90% done. Interior plastering, 60% complete. And yes, the lift has already arrived on site, ready for installation. Look at this stunning lobby tiling is done, and we're now adding the finishing touches to the wall designs. Stay tuned for even more progress updates as we approach the handover date. We still have a few units available. Don't miss this opportunity. Call us now and book your site visit and secure your space at the Caspian.